Hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Sunset. Sunset, sunrise. Sunrise pala. Sorry, vlog. Welcome to my guys. And there's Kunding sweeping on the road. And there's also drinking bottle. And there's my car. Also my calamansi. But we call that calamansirin because it's bigger than the calamansi. And this is the bunga of Saraisa. My kuko is very dirty. Thank you vlog. Welcome to my guys.